recording.
Do something funny.
Huh.
You shall videotape me. Yes. I'm going to put this on YouTube. No, don't ruin the video. Don't ruin it. Oh. Don't ruin the video.
I'm gonna get ready because I'm
Where you
going
go?
to an event with Mrs. Bates.
Oh, lucky.
So you need to finish typing at me. I haven't almost all done it. So
I
you
know.
need to finish it. What else do you have to do? Spelling?
Yeah, which I only have to do 2 activities. I bet you it'll only take me 5 minutes.
Did you get to run? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I was going to tell you that. Thank you very much. Did the doctor actually say yes?
Yeah, I talked to the nurse, the reception lady talked to the nurse, and they said, that's fine, he can run. It can't be an impact sport.
Yeah.
Football. Or some other stuff.
Or like riding a horse. Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I'm going to go get ready for my event.
No, you aren't recording. You have to record. See, just hold that. Yeah.
That's very good.
Very good. Better pray I got that one on video because I don't think I did.
Yeah. Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to me! Oh, there's killing us. Oh, boom, boom, chaka, boom, chaka. A sound. Oh, go. I shall end the video here. Please subscribe. My testicles.
Goodbye.